Discussion is features of Java. So let us overview of features of Java. Java is a high level and purely object oriented programming language. It is platform independent. It means robust, secure and multi-threaded programming language, which makes it popular among the OOP. It means object oriented programming languages. It is widely used for the software, web, mobile application development. Along with this is also used in being data analysis and server-side technology. Before moving towards features of Java, let us know how the Java originated. In 1990s, Sun Microsystem started developing software for electronics devices. This project was called the Sleuth project and is also known as Green project. In 1991, Bill Joy, James Gosling, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Norton started working on this project. Gosling decided to use C++ to develop this project, but the main problem he faced that C++ is a platform dependent language and could not work on the different electronic devices processes. As a solution to this problem, Gosling started developing a new language that can be worked over the different platforms, and this gave the birth to the most popular platform independent language known as Oak. Yes, Oak, read the right. Oak. This was the first name of Java, but later it was changed to the Java due to copyright issues. Some other companies already registered with this name, but that's why Java though. Let us how the story behind the name of Java and the logo, which is a coffee of mug. See the image, as you know. On 23rd January 1996, Java JDK 1.0 version was officially released by Sun Microsystem. This time released a Java of JDK 17.0. Now Java is being used in web application, Windows application, enterprise application, mobile application, etc. Every version of Java comes with new features. The first and the foremost reason is the platform independent feature of Java. Platform independent means programmers who develop their software in one platform can execute on any another platform or operating system regardless of underlying configuration because of the Java virtual machine. It means JVM. In other words, we can say the Java follows the VORA rule, which says the write once, run anywhere. Besides that, the Java provides security over the overdropping, tapering, open session and wireless thread. Java also provides a multi-threading features through which we can create multiple threading under any process which can work independently and simultaneously. Other than this, the performance of Java is also most impressive. It uses the JIT, it means Java, just-in-time compiler. It is capable to compiling only that method which is being called and not the whole program. This saves a lot of time and makes the overall development efficient. And due to its high performance, Java was widely variety of application. Java is only one of the most oldest programming language used for the developing of Android applications. It is also used for the scientific and web applications. Okay, thank you.